Alright, here's my master idea. I got a dog kennel, hunting, and I wanted to put some fans in. So, the simplest product I could think of was USB fans. Very simple, powered by pretty much anything in this world. Battery banks, charger from ice fishing, got a power box, anything, right, with USB. So this is by AC Infinity. That's the model number. You probably can't see it, no big deal. But it is the Multifan S7P. That's the version I got. So let me just walk you through this product. Nothing really comes in it other than you got the switch right here, on off, and then you got USB, and then you have another extension. So if I plug this in over there and plug this in, click it to on, you should immediately see it spinning. And it's supposed to be about 50 CFM, cubic feet per minute, per fan, so it's about 100 total. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have one blowing in and then one blowing out. And the thought process is it will circulate the air within the truck. Obviously, when you go hunting in the fall time, it's not gonna be super hot or super cold, but you know, there's gonna be some instances where he wants to cool down. This is definitely gonna help with. So yeah, dude, pretty cool, simple product. I will install it in the kennel and kind of walk you through that. So there I am, back of the truck, kennel, trying to figure out how to mount this in the kennel. So I remove these rubber grommet washer looking things, but here's what I realized, and I don't know if it's gonna hold. I might have to zip tie something, but it's actually able to click into the little slots, and I think over here, I'll be able to do something similar. I have another fan on order. These are 120s. So I'm gonna put a 140 on that side and then two 120s along this side, blowing out. And that side's gonna be blowing in. So trying to see if I can get the airflow moving and go from there. All right, hang tight. Whoa, look at my ugly mug. So here I am. I tried to use the grommet. I had to change courses of action. I'm removing the two top screws and I'm gonna put a zip tie through and latch on right there, like so. So, then I have the cable going down so it doesn't add some stress. Could be sideways, I'm not sure yet, but let's try this and see what happens. Should be pretty relatively simple. This zip tie might be too aggressive, we'll find out. Just gotta get it into, and then somehow kick it out, but ow, my finger. So there's one. Now, zip tie. Is it too fat or is it? Ooh, she's not a nice. I'm gonna have to go find some cheaper zip ties. Be right back. Okay, a couple more different kinds of zip ties. See what fits, what doesn't fit. Oh yeah, the little guy fits perfectly. Woo-wee. So I got super cheap, and then this will be better. Now again, how do I fish this through correctly? Like so, oh yeah. And then we fish that through, oh yeah. And then tighten away. Perfect. Put the other one right there. Do the other side. I'll have exhaust, and then on the other side I'll do intake. Sweet. All right, back in action. Zip ties are ready to go. You'll see them there. Let's see if I can do zip. Oh, perfect. Right there. Now I'm gonna start feeding them in so that I can get the zip tie action happening. I might click it through a couple. All right, perfect. Next one. Next one. Oh, such a innovative design, yet not having to spend $200-300 on these custom fans. I'm basically using computer fans. Computer fans should be able to do everything I need to do. Now, I just go into position and start cinching. Trying to make it sit kind of in the middle. Look at that. Look at that, right? OCD says we're sitting pretty good. Look at that. What's up? Okie dokie. Here we are on the other side. Yeah. Now I gotta wait for the 140 and then it'll be a complete project. How clean. Look at that. The hunting poodle. Look how clean that is. All right, don't judge me, you'll see my legs. But here we go, EcoFlow. Turn it on, right? I'll have it on off, USB, right? And all you gotta do is go. What is it gonna do? It's gonna pump out 100 cubic feet, CFM, cubic feet per minute, out. Pretty sweet. Then I can just go, if it's not that hot, but I just wanna add some airflow, I just go to low. Very, very gentle breeze. Initially, I thought I was gonna do out and in, but I feel like I'll have better cross ventilation if I have the 140 on the other side. Sorry, I don't know if you can see that. On 140 on the other side, blowing in, and this thing is just blowing out. It's just gonna be so much, he's gonna be way more comfortable. My little DIY custom PC mod. So hopefully you guys can see it, but I'll just tell you, it's running 2 watts and 98% on the box, 3 days, 11 hours of power. 3 days, 11 hours. So pretty much endless with the 2 fans. And if I add another fan, it'll probably last maybe 10 hours less. So 3 days worth of fan time, insane.